Hello my class 10 students. This is the class 10 physics MCQ sample paper 2. I have already uploaded the physics MCQ paper 1. The link of that paper is in the description box. In this video, I will be solving 10 marks worth of this paper. And if you want the solution to this entire paper, then click the link below. Okay? So, shall we begin? Let us look at our first question. A single fixed pulley is a machine because, and we have been given these 4 choices. Now it is a machine. Why? Does it multiply force? Does it give a convenient direction for the effort? Does it multiply speed? Does it allow the use of one's own weight as the effort? Now single fixed pulley, remember, is going to have mechanical advantage equal to 1, correct? And so it cannot multiply force. Also its VR is going to be 1, so it cannot multiply speed. Does it give convenient direction for the force? Does it? If you have a single fixed pulley like this is your load, and if we were to lift the load, we would actually use the effort in vertically upward direction, but because of single fixed pulley, the effort is in a convenient direction. So this is correct, and also one can use one's own weight here. This is also correct. So the option is 2 and 4. Where is 2 and 4? 2 and 4 is here. So this is the answer to our first question. Question 2. A man who holds a mass of 10 kg at rest in a horizontal position at a height of 2 meters above the ground for 10 minutes. G is given this. What is the work done by the man? Now he is holding the mass. So we have this person. He is holding the mass, and this mass is 10 kg, but he is at rest. He is only standing in one position. So there's no displacement, nothing. He has lifted it first, or maybe somebody has lifted and put it on his head. We do not know, but he is only holding it. Maybe he is holding 10 kg mass here. I do not know, but he is at rest. And because there is no movement, there is no work done. So this is the correct option. Question number 3. A convex lens is used as a magnifying lens. Then the object is placed. Where is the object placed? It will be between F and O. Where is the option? This one. Now you must remember the positions of the object and the corresponding positions of the images. That table will be given in any textbook. You have to know that very well. Okay, let us come to number 4. A magnifying lens has, if it is a magnifying lens, it must have more power. Remember, it will have more power. If it is more power, then it's going to magnify more. And if it is more power, remember power is equal to 1 upon F in meters, focal length and power. They are inversely proportional. So if it is more power, then it will have less of focal length. Which is the option? Short focal length, larger power, short focal length and smaller power? No. Short focal length and larger power, because they are inversely proportional. Larger focal length? No. And larger power? No, definitely not. This is the correct option, but let us look at the last option as well. Large focal length and smaller power? No. We will have to choose short focal length and short focal length. Out of these two, we will take the first one. That's the correct option. Let us look at question 5. An object through a prism with its vertex pointing upwards appears to be displaced downwards, upwards, same level towards the apex. Now this will have to be done with the help of a diagram. So let us look at the diagram. Let us say the object is here. This is the object. Okay, so we will have to take the incident ray from there, like so, and this incident ray is going to turn this way, and then again it is going to turn this way. Now when it turns this way, it will appear to be coming from here. Okay, and so your object, let me just show the arrows, and this is going to be dotted line. This is where the image will be. All right, so when we are looking at it from there, the object is here, but when we look from here, the image appears here. So the object is displaced up to here, this level. So is it downwards? Is it the same level? Do I see the object somewhere here? Do I see the object at the same level here? No. Does it shift towards the apex of the lens? Does this object go this side, somewhere here, closer to the apex? So this one is not correct. Downwards also, this object is not being seen somewhere here. It is upwards. Okay, so the first option also is wrong. So for this, remember, the diagram will be there in any one of your textbooks. All right, this is a little tricky part over here, so pay attention. So sometimes when for light you have MCQ, draw the diagram. You will be given some sheet to write the working and also to draw the diagram. Draw the diagram so it helps you to understand the situation better. The phenomenon observed, number 6, the phenomenon observed in question 5. In this question 5, what is the phenomenon observed? Was it dispersion? This was the diagram. Now, is it dispersion? Is this light splitting into number of colors? No. So this one is wrong. Is it total internal reflection? No. Is it scattering of light? No. The ray is simply bending like this. So the correct option is refraction. Question number 7. In the following diagram, the nature of the lens is. Now, nature of the lens means, is it converging? Oh, here it is, converging, diverging. Now, will it be diverging or converging? If it is converging, convex lens forms a real image as well as virtual image. And diverging, the spelling is wrong here. The diverging lens will form always virtual image. Now, if it is virtual, then it's going to be upright or erect image. And if it's a real image, then it will always be inverted image. What kind of image has it formed? It has formed inverted image. That means it is real image. So the correct option is converging lens. Now the same diagram is repeated for question number 8, which asks us to find the magnification. Now we must know the magnification formula. It is the height of the image upon height of the object, which is also equal to the image distance upon the object distance. Now here can you see we have been given the height of the object as well as the image. So your magnification, if I substitute for I upon O, the image is 1 centimeter and the object is, the height is 1.5 centimeter. But here we have to also look at the sign convention. Our object is vertical this way, so it will be positive height. So it will be plus here. But the image is inverted, so when we go this way, it becomes negative. So overall, it is going to be minus 10 upon 15 with this centimeter getting cancelled. So that will be minus 2 upon 3. Where is minus 2 upon 3? Here. We continue with this question. The object distance is. Now when we have to find the object distance, see from here to here, this is given as 10 centimeter. So the object distance, if you call this as u, from here to here, this is u, and we will call that as x. Then the image distance, which is from the lens up to here, this is going to be v, which will be 10 minus x. All right. So the object distance is going to be x, but because it is this side from the lens on the left, it will be negative, and your image distance, which is v, is on this side of the lens on the right, so it will be positive 10 minus x. Okay. Now we already know the magnification is I upon O, which turned out to be minus 2 upon 3 in the earlier part, and that will be equal to your V upon U. So minus 2 upon 3 will be equal to V is 10 minus x and U is minus x. Okay, so this minus and this minus will cancel out, so we will have 2x will be equal to, when we cross multiply, 3 will multiply here and it will say 30 minus 3x. So we will have 3x coming this side, so we will have 5x equal to 30 and x will be equal to 30 upon 5. How much is that? 6. Now this is the value of x, but we have to see that it is this side, so this x is going to be negative, so it will be minus 6. Okay. 10th question. In the following diagram, the image distance. Now remember, from here to here we had 6 centimeter, and from here to here there will be, total distance is 10, so it will be 10 minus 6, which will be equal to 4 centimeter. Now 4 centimeter is on the right side, so it's going to be positive with sign convention. Positive 4. Where is it? This one is the correct option. So I hope you have understood how to solve the MCQ paper for physics. I'm sure you will be a little more confident about how to solve these questions. Now, to get the solution of the entire paper, click on the link below, and remember, this is your chance to improve your marks and to get full marks in this examination. So click the link below. Okay. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, and all the best for your exam. Bye.